Do you like that? Will, do you like that? Here, let's push it. Ready? Not that interested? Not so interested? How about your barn? Would you like your barn? Oh, where's the animals? Here you go. Here's your barn. Do you like your barn? How's your yogurt? Is it good? Good. Ready? Look, Will. Look. You're sitting up so well. Before long, you'll be able to sit up on your own. You're going to try to eat it? Ready? Where are you going to? Is he being silly? No? Here, I'll help you.